friends, my name is Amy and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to grow your thin edges and your hair as well. I'll be listing 5 tips into growing your thin edges. Tip number 1 into growing your thin edges is to avoid tight hairstyles. Any hairstyle that you do that is tight into your hair can make your hair not to grow and your edges become thin. Guys, please leave your hair alone. Always plaiting can also make your hair not to grow and your edges as well. These tips are both for your edges and your hair. Please take a month or 2 months without plaiting your hair and just leaving it, moisturizing it to look good. Tip number 2 in making your edges look good and nice is certain hair tools. Some certain hair tools can damage your hair. Hard brushes especially can damage your hair. Try using light brushes instead. You can find this at Clicks or Discam. Another thing is styling gel. Styling gel, when you apply it, it gets dry when you put it on for the longest time on your hair. And sometimes when you try brushing it, you brush your dry styling gel and that can cause breakage as well. Try using moisturizer or water to wetten your hair, then you can brush it or style it wherever you want. Tip number 3 in making your hair look good is moisturizing. Moisturizing is the number 1 source of hair growth and making your hair look good and nice and presentable, So always moisturize your hair. Don't brush your hair while your hair is dry because it can damage your hair and you can also get hair loss after doing so. So moisturize your hair daily. There are different types of hair. There's 4C, 4B and 4A. Try finding the type of your hair that you have, then use the treatment according to the type of hair you have, because the treatment that I use won't be the same as you. So moisturize your hair daily. Then tip number 4 in making your hair look good and edges is multivitamins and supplements. Take multivitamins and supplements because those vitamins can make your hair grow and your edges as well. They are also the building blocks in your immune system and they make you healthy, and with that, use a balanced diet to do so. And there are vitamin A, C, and also zinc. Those are the vitamins that can make your hair grow. And tip number 5, the last tip, is relaxing. Guys, avoid relaxing a lot because that can make your hair become stagnant and not grow. Relax it, but not every day. Maybe once a week, or maybe take some time. You know what I mean? Like take some time in relaxing. I'm not saying you must not relax, but relax because I'm sorry. Avoid relaxing because that can make your edges not to become thick and not grow. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope the tips that I gave you will help you in the long run. Thank you for watching, and you will see me in my next video.